we've got a special delivery. And it's not just any e-bike. This beast is built to turn heads and tear up the road. Packed with power, style, and tech, it's full suspension, 1,500 watts of peak performance, and a look that demands attention. Whether you're new to the e-bike world or ready for your next ride, this might just be the one. Stay tuned, because we're about to take the TST R002 for a spin. And trust me, you're gonna want to see this.
Alright guys, this is Daddy O from the O Family Channel. Today we do have another e-bike we're going to review. This is the TST R002.
Cool.
They sent us an e-bike to review. This thing's supposed to have 32 miles per hour, 1500 watt peak motor.
Wow.
Style moped. We are going to unbox it and show you guys what it's about. See, as usual. Cut this open. Alright. This front handlebar right here with the big screen. Okay. Alright guys, so after opening up the box, this is what we're looking at. Do love this back seat. Look at this, nice, kind of fancy stitching and looks comfortable. Lots of cushion. Nice. And here's the front tire. This is 20 by 4 and looks like they're including the passenger seat that extends. I'm assuming it goes back here. That extends the seat for two-seater. We'll do that later. And then also this is a passenger peg to put on the back side. And then obviously here's a battery, and they are running on the Nabi Tread tire. Look how deep these threads are, so it's gonna be very grippy. So it looks like the first thing I have to do is install the kickstand. Usually the kickstand is already installed, but this one you guys have to do it yourself. So let's go and do that first. Okay, the kickstand is in place. There's a kickstand. So the next thing I have to do is install the front tire. Let's see, I gotta loosen this up just a little bit. And then don't forget to take off the anti-rattle clip right here. That's important. A lot of people forget to do that. This goes this side, the brake has to line up. Just lift it up. Slide in. There it goes. Gotta tighten this. Tighten.
The next step is installing the handlebar. Just line it up with the front tire and tighten it down. Then, attach the front fender over the front tire. You'll need to unscrew the pre-installed bolts, position the fender, and reattach the bolts to secure it in place. Next, remove the bolt from the headlight. Place it between the front forks, and screw it in. Don't forget to plug in the headlight cable before moving on. After that, install the pedals, left and right. Just make sure to match the correct side. Now, it's time to install the passenger pegs. Unscrew the side bolts, slide the pegs into place, and screw them back in securely. Finally, install the passenger seat. You'll need to remove the bolts under the main seat and also from the brake light. Slide the passenger seat into place. Align the brake light underneath and screw everything back in. You may need to gently pull the brake light to line it up properly.
Alright guys, so the bike is put together.
Nice.
Let's take a closer look at what the TST R002 is packing, because there's a lot to love here before we even hit the road. So first off, it's got the moped style frame, and yes, it comes with the passenger seat and passenger foot pegs. So you guys can see, so someone can ride in style with you. The tires, they're big boys, 20 by 4 inches with that Nabi style tread pattern and a solid thread depth for traction on off-road, as you can see. And check out, the wheels are single piece construction, so you won't have to worry about broken spokes. That's a nice touch for long-term durability.
Perfect!
The brake rotors are 180 millimeter, giving you confident stopping power. And speaking of comfort, this seat is long, looks premium, and has a nice texture. And yeah, it's soft. It's got a nice little texture. And it's soft, looks very comfortable, so we can't wait to test that out. This is a full suspension setup. On the back we got a basic HLT 100 rear shock, and up front we got a dual crown fork with the integrated suspension, but there's no adjustability on the stanchions, but enough to smooth out rough rides. So there's no adjustability up here. Out back we got a gear hub motor capable of pushing up to 1500 watts of peak power. You feel the kick when you twist the throttle. And here's the battery. There's a key. Turn it, just slide it up and it comes right off. Here's the 48 volt 15-hour amp battery pack. That's 720 watt hours of energy, and they say you can get up to 60 miles of range depending on your weight and riding style, of course. Now check out this battery tray. Also houses the controller, so it's clean and compact setup. No extra boxes or wires hanging out. Controls are simple. You got a thumb throttle on the left and the rubber grips with zigzag pattern. Nice feel to them. Brake levers are solid and our usual 7-shift manual gear. Back here we got a 7-speed cassette with the basic Shimano Tourney derailleur, and up front is a crankset with double well bash guard. You can see right there, it protects the chain when you're right on the rough roads, protect from the rocks. So that's a nice touch. And while it looks heavy duty, this thing actually weighs only about around 75 pounds, which is a pretty light for a full suspension moped style e-bike. All right, so the charging time, as you can see the charger, this is the 3A charger, which means full charge takes about 5 to 6 hours. All right guys, so here is the control panel. You hold the power button right here for a few seconds. Turn it on. So I don't know if you guys can see, the frame rate is that's better. So as soon as you turn it on, you see the screen. This is the color screen, as you can see. And obviously there's a plus button. Pedal assist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goes all the way up to 5. And then the minus button. Assuming this is the headlight. Okay, so it looks like you have to hold the headlight for a little bit. And when the headlight is on, you see the indicator, headlight indicator. So hold it again, turns off. So let me see the front headlight. Nice and bright. You can see. And then there is the signal. Okay. So if you press the plus button 2 times quickly, and it shows on the screen, you see the blinking right there. Blinker is on. And then you press the minus button quickly 2 times. See on the screen. And then the left side blinker is on. And unfortunately, there's no turn signal up front, only on the back side. And you press the info button, there's a odometer, trip, and odometer. That's pretty much it. Okay, these tires are supposed to be max inflated to 20 psi. Right now it's at 14 point now, so let's go ahead and max it out. That's done. And you gotta check the backside. The backside is only 12.9. So let's go ahead and inflate it up to the right amount. It's up to the right amount. Let's go ahead and take it out for a spin, guys. Before we take off, there's the TST app. See here, you gotta connect. Name, confirm, select the model. That's the one. Okay, remaining battery shows how much battery it's got. I did charge it earlier. The ride is 0 mile, single mile is 0. We don't have that yet. I think you can unlock it. I gotta connect to Bluetooth. Let's go ahead. Class 3, please. Agree. Okay. All right, here we go. Bluetooth is connected. Let's try without the pedal assist. Let's see, 0. Let's see how hard that is. Okay. It's going about 3 miles per hour. 4. which isn't too bad. 6 miles. Let's go ahead and change to pedal assist 1. Feel the boost. Pedal assist 2. Right away. It's going up to about 11 miles per hour. Pedal assist 3. Yeah, more boost. It's more like it. 14 miles per hour. Nice brakes. Oh yeah, pedal assist 3. You feel the torque. 17 miles per hour. You can see it is comfortable. Oh yeah. Okay, pedal assist 4. 18 miles per hour. So great brakes. Pedal assist 4. 19 miles per hour. Pedal assist 5. 21. 22. Oh, the bumps is really smooth with this full shock. Oh yeah, the ride is very smooth. Very creepy. 23. 24. Woo. 25. 26. Okay, let's check out the thumb throttle here. Nice boost. Right now it's going about 16 miles per hour, 17, 18. Love the brakes. Ride is very smooth. The seat is comfortable like I expected when I looked at it. It's going about 21 with the thumb throttle, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28 miles per hour. That's pretty fast with the thumb throttle. Oh yeah. Check out the brakes. Oh man. Brakes is great. Instant. Handles bumps like butter. And you know what we are about to do. This bike is great for off-roading, especially in the mountains. A lot of hills, a lot of bumps. This is a perfect bike with the full shock. So let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, so it's grass here. Grass is kind of tall, it's bumpy. Oh man. Do not feel much bumps here, guys. It's a lot of movements in the camera, but with this full shock, it is really, really comfortable. No problem. Like I said earlier, you can see these bumps with the full shock and with enough power. This ride is really smooth compared to regular e-bikes where there's either one front suspension and back suspension, but this is a full suspension which absorbs the shock when you hit the bumps, and this is perfect for mountain biking and off-roading. This is fun. Alright guys, after riding the TST R002, I can honestly say this bike is a ton of fun. Like any product, there are a few pros and cons, but honestly, the pros far outweigh the cons. If I had to nitpick, there are a few small things I didn't love. One, there's no horn. Even a basic bell, it did not come with it. There's no the ring bell, there's no the loud horn, the button, which isn't great from a safety perspective. 2, there's no front turn signal, only in the back. Number 3, passenger seat pegs and the chain guard don't come pre-installed. You have to do that yourself. So those are the things that I did not like. Let's talk about what I do love. First off, the price. This bike was originally priced at $21.99, but right now it's just $8.99. That's a $1,300 discount, which is wild for what you're getting. This will be perfect bike for beginners who's looking into buying an e-bike, packed with lots of features. One is a full suspension for a smooth ride on any kind of roads. It's got 1500 watt peak motor with the top speed of 32 miles per hour. Depends on how you ride and weight. This bike could ride up to 60 miles of range, and also this bike has 90 newton meter of torque for strong hill climbing, and also hydraulic brakes, LED display, bright headlight and tail light, and yes, it even supports app connectivity with the Orbital Sport app. So if you guys are looking into one, this is a great starter e-bike, or even a second ride if you're looking to add one in the garage. I would definitely recommend it. If you want to grab one, use my affiliated link down below and save $100 with my code. Use code STEVEO at checkout to save $100. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the O family, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Ride safe. Bye guys.